Thank you for joining us for another edition of True Talk. What a year it has been. Challenging for many industries and for many individuals. Our industry is no exception. It's been very tough on people in our industry. We are getting back to normal now, and I have really great energy now. But a few months ago, I was at a low point. I felt like the old me was kind of gone. I felt a little bit of a loss of identity as this very busy, always in meetings, always in trainings, always in events trainer. And for a few months there, we were not busy. Now, when I hit this low point around May or June, I was doing all of the things that the experts recommend. I was meditating, I was exercising, I was doing things that bring me joy, I was trying to serve people, I was reading a lot. And I was unable still to prevent falling into this trough of low energy and kind of mild depression. Until I did what we suggested in the True Insights newsletter, until I told some people, hey, I'm having a bad time. These are people, family, friends, people that I'm close to. And as if by magic, I got my energy back. It was the beginning of a very quick recovery process. Maybe in a week or two, I was feeling great again. Just the act of telling someone how I felt. So I learned from that when we're under stress, or when we're under stress and we are not even sure that we're under stress, we need to tell people. We need to be aware of what's going on and tell people. The second thing we need to do, as we indicate in the newsletter, is rather than saying, okay, I've got my energy back, let's do something, and running off in different directions, take a little bit of time to talk to your advisors, to reflect, to think about your options, and then choose something to do with your refound energy. I hope this has been helpful to you, and I hope that you are in a good state like I am now. Thank you.